Hey guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm showing you how to make these super fluffy and tender pumpkin pancakes using only 3 simple ingredients. These come together quick and are perfect for any cozy fall morning or in the evening while watching a scary movie. These pumpkin pancakes are going to be your new go-to recipe this fall season, so let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, you're going to need some pancake mix. This is the one I'm using today, but you can use any brand you like. This one says just add water, which sounds good to me, so I'm going to use 2 cups of the mix and add it to a bowl with 1.5 cups of water and a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. You're going to need 2/3 cups of pumpkin puree, and that is it. Now, if your pancake mix was not one that says just add water, like if it wasn't a complete mix, you're going to need to add an egg or whatever else it said on the directions. Like if it said oil and milk, you're going to add that instead of the water. Now give everything a good mix, and you know the drill. Add it to a hot buttered skillet on a medium heat, and these guys, they are rather thick, so be sure they're fully cooked in the middle before removing them from the skillet. After the first flip, you're going to want to let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes and lower the heat so that they don't burn. Now don't forget the mix-ins. You can add some chopped pecans if you like, or some walnuts, or even a little chocolate chips. If you want to be more healthy, you can use like a Kodiak mix for higher protein, but these to me are healthy enough with that pumpkin that is loaded with potassium and vitamin A. So give these a try, guys. And if you want more pancake recipes, like if you're a pancake fanatic like me, click on all the links at the end of this video or the ones down below in the description. Happy fall, everyone!